know we all want to have that flat tummy, but it's not all that easy for some of us who's gone through pregnancy and dealing with diastasis recti. So today's move, we're going to focus on just our stomach area and try as much as possible to hold a very deep breath while sucking in the stomach and maintaining a very good posture. So if you're ready to go on this journey with me, let's crush it together. We start with some warm-up. Rotate from right to left. Make sure you're sucking in. Don't forget. That's where the magic happens. About 6 seconds for each move. Our next move, open up this way. Make sure you're sucking in the stomach. That's where the magic happens. Maintain a very good posture. Chest out as much as you can. Come on. You should be feeling that strain in your stomach area if you're sucking in. Okay, so right now, maintain this posture. Come on, as high as you can. Make sure to suck in. Feeling the heat. Yes. Our next move, grabbing something from the top. Make sure you're sucking in. Grab from the top, roll your waist. Come on. Now you're going to lean forward as much as you can, suck it in, lean back. In, lean forward, breathing, down. Lean forward, tummy tucked in, and back. You feel it. It looks very easy, but it's very effective. So now, we go this way. In. Come on. Maintain a very good posture. Chest out as much as you can. And remember to suck in. Ooh. That's good. And then we take the other side. Maintain the posture. Chest out. Suck in. And move. Come on. Now you're going to roll and turn the waist. Turning your waist or twisting your waist is really good exercise for the stomach area. Make sure you're sucking in when exhaling. Come on. And then go this way. Come on. It's all about twisting the waist, controlling your breath, and sucking in as much as you can. Squeezing that stomach area together. This way. Don't forget to suck in as much as you can. Come on. Yes. That bounce. Move to the other side now. The same move. Suck in as much as you can. And maintain that posture. Come on. Okay. And that's it. Well done, good job. Try to repeat these exercises at least 3 times in a week for better results. Keep hydrated, maintain a healthy diet, and try to lose fat all through the body, not just the stomach area, to have a very good result. So I'll see you on the next one. Keep keeping fit until then. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.